is going on, everybody? It's Jaren for this video. I am now going to try and attempt to roll for Evelyn's W engine because I got her. I'll see if I can get her engine. I know, like, in a couple days is basically when Anvi comes out, but I'll roll for her eventually. But for now, I want to get this engine, and I'm willing to spend money to get it. So here we go. And who knows? Maybe I'll get lucky. Unlike that roll, because oh my god, Seth. What the heck? That's crazy. All right, hold on. Jesus. Okay. Oh, hold up, hold up, hold up. All right, come on. Let's see. Let's see if I can do this. All right. Because if I remember correctly, what I heard was it's a 70-30 for getting the W engine if you get an S rank. I believe that's the case, at least. Apparently, I can get more A ranks from this. What the heck? I don't even have that one. Or that one. Jeez. What character is that? Ah, oh, shoot. I need to look at who's who now. Crud. Um, Screw it? Hold on. How much is... Hold on. How much is this, actually? Okay, okay. Because I don't know if I actually want to buy that personally. Come on. Let's do this. Come on. Damn it. Alright, guess I am spending on this one. Alright. I tried. I'll find out whose engine that is later. Hold on. It's part of the banner, right? Wait, is that? Like, just 15 for just one of these? Hold on. That seems like a bad deal. Wait, which of these is the best deal? Hold on. Alright, I guess I'll try this. Damn. Hold on. The fuck is going on here, man? This is actually ridiculous. Oh man, I'm such a gambler. Oh man, it feels bad. Oh, okay, here we go. Come on, please. Please be your engine. Please be your engine. Yay! Let's go. Alright. Alright, I can end that there. Oh man. Okay, okay. I can end that there. I don't got a lot of stuff left. And the grind continues, I guess. Alright, alright. Who can I get? Oh, to somebody who was new. Alright, whatever. Alright, so I think I'm just going to leave that there. I'm really happy I got Evelyn. Hold on. Let me try to pull her up. I don't think I can put her on the other side. Hold on. No, I can't do that. All right. All right. Yep. I'm gonna leave that there now. I'm gonna just be ashamed at my spending. Oh my god. All right. I did say like, I wanted to spend for Evelyn, and I did. So yeah, I'm gonna leave that there. Hope you all enjoyed. Leave like you did. See me in the next video. Peace out, everybody.